Yeah, so my kill switch came in early, so I put it in my body, got it painted, doing the Miami colors. I like it. It's pretty nice. Look at that. Yeah. So I did the green here, and I did mirror paint here. Seen one of my friends, I think Gary, he has a Titan straight mirror paint. So I saw it, so pretty much borrowed his idea to add my mirror paint here and my mirror paint on the top right here. Looks nice. I love it. Now all I gotta do is get my wing and I'll be good. But other than that, I am summer ready. King Motor is ready. Yeah, this just look dope. I ordered some stickers and got it put on there. It's dope, man. I like it. The rims and everything make it pop just right. It's crazy.